Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing HID. So I have the car on right now, the lights on, just to show you what they look like stock. And then we're going to install these guys and see what they look like not stock. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm pretty excited to change the color of my lights. And it's a lot cheaper to get a new look with these than it is to get a whole new set of headlights. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do, it's dark out, but we're going to take out the stock headlights. Stock light. We're going to go ahead and install the HID. Once you do that, these are like conversion kits, the power and everything like that. You install that. Usually you're supposed to install it first, but I did it because I never did. Alright, so super easy. Red wire plugs into the red wire. You can only go one way, so can't mess it up. Black wire goes into the black wire. Install it like so. Alright guys, so we got our bulb installed, and we need to connect this little jumper cable from the little box thing. I don't know what it's called, but you're supposed to connect this into this, like that. And then this little black connector, see I made the mistake, I didn't know that, connects into the actual power for the light. Clips in like that. And theoretically, it should work.
I don't know.
Alright guys, so we got both sides installed. So we're going to go ahead and test the lights, see if they actually work, and see how bright they are. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure you leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, okay? Finished our lights, they look great. Y'all have a great night.